Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to create an account with Coldwell Banker. As you can see, you need to head over to coldwellbanker.com and then you have to wait for the website to load up, which is this one. And then we're going to click on sign in. As you can see, it says join or sign in. From there, your Gmail will pop up, and what you need to do is click on continue with Google and then tap in continue. And if you don't have your Gmail registered, you can manually put in your email and stuffs. And once you can see that it has loaded, I'm already in. It's gonna give me, I think, a tutorial, so we'll wait for that. And then as you can see, your next home is here, so find a home. And then also you can check your home's value, and then international if you want to check homes from other countries. And then there is buying if you want to buy a house, sell a house, or if you want to be connected with agents and offices. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.